Tonight we're cooking up pasta al forno with my homemade Italian sausage. It's cheesy, saucy, and honestly makes a huge tray. This one's a total crowd pleaser. It's perfect for family, friends, or leftovers all week. It's big batch cooking and comfort food done the Skinnymixers way. And now for the best part, serving it up and eating it. I'm gonna take